Alright, filling out this series worksheet. It is a series circuit, and we look at that up here and we can see that the only one path for current. You have your positive supply connected here. Right there, you got your positive supply connected there, and then you've got your negative supply connected there. So you can redraw this with the power supply, but you just know that your supply is connected right here for positive and right here for negative. Now, remember you have to use the series circuit rules, and one of the series circuit rules is that this current is the same everywhere in a series circuit. So you can look at that and you can go and fill out all these values here. You have 2 amps measured on resistor 3, but we can come down here and we can draw 2 amps and 2 amps here and 2 amps here and 2 amps here. Now in class I put all these items my table I put E, I, R, and P. Alright, in my rows. In this case it just rotated 90 degrees, and if you look at this, every item relating to a device is in a complete row here. So what that means, all these items here, once we have 2 of them in a row, we can solve for the other 2 using Ohm's law. We don't have 2 on the supply yet, but we have 2 here, 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 and here. So if we go, the V is equal to I times R, V is equal to I times R. 2 times 40 will be 80 volts. And then you come on down to the next one, 2 times 80 would be 160 volts. And then you got 2 times 1.5K, or 1500, that would be 3000 volts. That was for 3. Now 4 is 2 times 750, and that would be 1500. Now we add those up, okay? We can add these up, and we're going to get 4,000. And do this in the top of my head, it looks like 4,740, but I just want to double check that. So I'm going to bring this up, and we go 1,500 plus 3,000 plus 160 plus 80, 4,740. 4,000. Again, I want that. 4,740 volts. Now you have the voltage and the current. You can calculate RT and PT. Alright, so we know that 4,740 divided by 2 is going to be 2370. Okay, so we come up here, 2370 ohms. Now to check that, using Ohm's law, we know that this plus this plus this plus this should equal our RT. R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 will equal RT. So let's see if that works out. So say 40. Let me bring this over here now. Find it someplace where everybody can see it. There we go. 40 plus 80 plus 1,500 plus 750 equals 2370, 2370. We're good. Now the power, once you have all this done, power, the P, come over here, P is equal to I times E. You can just do that calculation. E times I is going to get your power, and just fill that out. Repeat that all the way down here for all 5 of these powers. That's it. You repeat that process on all of these and you're good to go.